How to use Clearpay on Amazon. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use Clearpay on Amazon. Now let's get right into the tutorial. It is important to note that currently Clearpay is not accepted as a direct payment method on Amazon. Amazon no longer incorporates alternative payment methods like Clearpay. Instead, it offers its own exclusive service called Amazon Pay. Shopping in-store follows a somewhat different procedure. So, to set up your Clearpay card, you can download the Clearpay mobile app and follow the in-app instructions. Once configured, you can use Apple Pay or Google Pay to link your Clearpay card and make contactless purchase at the checkout counter. Unfortunately, there is not currently a way to use Clearpay directly from Amazon transactions, considering Amazon's unique methods of payment. And in this instance, Clearpay is not one of them. I hope this clarification helps you. If you have any further questions or if there are any changes in the future, stay tuned for more updates. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Joins for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.